Guys, how are you? New products I want to talk about. So one of the first ones is a product we've called CLENZ. And CLENZ is probably going to be one of the most undervalued, underestimated product in the Never Enough range. People will go, because all the Never Enough products are very pertinent to enhanced performance. So you've got the Psalms in there, you've got the Tonka Alleys, you've got the ashwagandhas. You've got your proteins, creatine's coming through again soon. So all these are big hitting products for bodybuilders, for powerlifters, for sports, men and women, rugby players, footballers, fighters. They're a real direct, cool brand. So what is CLENZ going to do? How does this fit in? Well, with anything, it's about absorption of nutrients is so important. Now, a lot of people who are into their sports will eat quite a heavy protein-rich diet, probably lots of meats. And meats are quite hard to digest. Now, over a period of time, I'm talking years rather than months, on a kind of higher protein diet, what you'll find is you'll get a build-up of fecal plaque. Now, if we were to unravel our intestines, okay, they'd go to the back of the garden here. They'd be about 26 feet in length. And within that intestinal tract, you can get build-up of plaque. So this is kind of undigested or semi-digested food particles that have just built up and created this plaque. And what that does is it can block receptor sites, and you can get little, pockets where nutrients get absorbed. They can get blocked. So it's kind of stopping the body from absorbing nutrients, not only from food, but also from the supplements you buy. So when I deal with a lot of athletes who want to go into a program, so we might get into a 16-week program before an event or a show, or a match, we'll look at, or I would always look at doing an internal detox. This will allow you to then have more nutrient absorption from food, the diet, and supplementation. It is an amazing process. So if you can imagine on day one, and you've got this pipe full of blocked plaque, right? Day one, you put a nice pipe cleaner in, and then day two, a bit further, and day three, and by day 14, that intestinal tract has been completely cleaned. That is what CLENZ is about. So CLENZ will clean your intestinal tract from all the debris and the plaque, the fecal matter that is just congealed and solid, and it will get it out of your body. What that does is it increases energy. It increases the skin quality. It increases fatigue, anti-fatigue. So it'll increase, the energy output. It's anti-bloating. Some people can lose up to 10 pounds in a couple of weeks of plaque. It's heavy. So, you then get a tighter body. Great for IBS. Anyone with any kind of intestinal issues and irritable bowel syndrome, it could be phenomenal for. It's anti-parasitic, antimicrobial. So if you've got nasties within your body, it will take them out. So CLENZ is going to be one of the most underrated products there. But if you're serious about your sport, you want to give your body a little bit of a cleanse, definitely. Check out the product. The way you take it is you take 2 after an evening meal. So you take 2 after an evening meal every evening. The product lasts 2 weeks. It will get you regular. And believe me, what will come out will be a bit of a shock if you have got fecal plaque within your system. So check out CLENZ, an amazing product, trust me. Yes, it doesn't sit directly in with the enhanced performance side of things, but it's a very clever product, so be clever about it. Cheers guys, bye.